Luka Doncic's impact with the Los Angeles Lakers has been immediate, and Jordan Brand celebrates that connection with the Jordan Luka 5 Lakers. Designed for fans and collectors alike, the sneaker blends subtle Lakers inspiration with spring-ready tones. The upper combines light purple leather and mesh, offering a balance of durability, support, and breathability. A white TPU frame wraps the midfoot, providing lightweight structure and stability, while the white foam midsole delivers cushioning and energy return for both performance and casual wear. Bright yellow accents on the inner tongue, lateral Jumpman, and outsole create visual contrast while nodding to the team's colors. Beyond basketball cues, the pastel palette evokes seasonal Easter vibes, making it an appealing choice for spring and summer styling. Set to release in spring or summer 2026, the Jordan Luka 5 Lakers may arrive as an Asia exclusive, giving sneaker enthusiasts a fresh, collectible option that bridges performance, heritage, and contemporary style.